Hello all, welcome to the day 25 of the daily case study series for CBSE grade 10. The question goes like this. India Gate is located at New Delhi. It stands as a memorial to 74,187 soldiers of Indian Army who gave their life in the First World War. This 42-meter tall structure was designed by Sir Edwin Lutyens in the style of Roman triumphal arches. A student, Shreya, of height 1 meter, visited India Gate as a part of her study tour. Question 1. What is the angle of elevation from Shreya's eye to the top of India Gate if she is standing at a distance of 41 meter away from the India Gate? Before we start answering, let's do a rough sketch. Assume this is the India Gate, which is 42-meter tall. Let's name this as AB. Assume this is the point where Shreya is standing. PQ is 1 meter. P is the eye level of Shreya. So let's draw a line parallel to the ground level. CB is also 1 meter. Shreya is standing at a distance of 41 meter from the base of the India Gate. That is BQ is 41, CP is also 41. We have to figure out this angle theta. From A to C the distance is 41. Tan theta is equal to AC upon CP. Tan theta is equal to AC is 41 and CP is also 41. That is tan theta is 1, which means theta is 45 degree. Question 2. If Shreya observes the angle of elevation from her eye to the top of India Gate to be 60, then how far is she standing from the base of India Gate? Angle at P is 45 degree. Now that the angle of elevation is 60, which means she has come slightly closer to the base. Let's take the new position of Shreya as xy. The angle formed at x is 60 degree. We have to figure out Cx. Let's call the distance Cx as m. Now we are going to work with the triangle ACX. Tan 60 is AC upon Cx. Tan 60 is root 3. AC is 41. Cx is m. M is equal to 41 upon root 3. Rationalizing, we get 41 root 3 upon 3 meters. So this is the new distance of Shreya from the base of the India Gate when the angle of elevation has become 60 degrees. Question 3, subdivision A. If the angle of elevation from Shreya's eye changes from 45 to 30 when she moves some distance back from the original position, find the distance she moves back. Let's take the new position of Shreya as ST. Connecting P and S and also A and S. Assume the distance she has walked away from the base as N. Now we will work the triangle ACS. Tan 30 is equal to AC upon CS. AC is 41, CS is CP plus PS. 1 upon root 3, which is equal to 41 upon CP is 41. So 41 plus N. 41 plus N is equal to 41 root 3. N is 41 root 3 minus 41. N is 41 times root 3 minus 1. Question 3, subdivision B. If Shreya moves to a point which is at a distance of 41 by root 3 meters from the India Gate, then find the angle of elevation made by her eye to the top of India Gate. AB is 42 meter. Then this is the ground level. PQ is Shreya's height, which is 1 meter. BC is also 1 meter. Now that Shreya has walked 41 upon root 3 meter from the base of the building. CP is parallel and equal to BQ. So it is also 41 upon root 3. Now that we have to figure out the angle. In triangle ACP, tan theta is AC upon CP. Tan theta is equal to AC is 41 upon CP is 41 upon root 3. That is tan theta is equal to root 3, which implies theta is equal to 60 degree. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Math with Meenakshi for more smart learning videos. See you all with another case study question tomorrow.